Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Tasks pane and creating a task immediately. This gets you working instead of planning. Add a clear title, due date, priority, and any short notes so you know what outcome you expect. If an email contains action items, drag it to Tasks or use Create Task from Message so context stays with the task. Once done, assign categories and reminders so items appear where you look for them. Now organize and schedule so tasks become reliable prompts. Assign categories and colors for instant visual grouping, and set start dates to prevent premature reminders. Use recurrence for repeating work and add specific reminders for time-sensitive items. Once scheduled, use My Day or apply filters to surface only what you must do today, making priorities obvious. Also link tasks to calendar events or contacts when tasks depend on meetings or other people. Finish by marking tasks complete and keeping your list lean. Completed items can be archived or filtered out to reduce clutter. If tasks aren't syncing across devices, make sure your account type supports tasks, check account settings, and run a manual send/receive to force sync. If you see duplicates or ghost items, use Outlook's cleanup or delete the stale entries after confirming they're not needed. If problems persist, recreate the task and test sync before bulk edits to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.